Hey everyone, it's William here, or maybe not, because the person you're seeing on screen right now isn't actually me, and the voice you're hearing, also not me. This entire video, from my face to my voice to the way I'm speaking right now, is 100% AI generated. Yup, I literally cloned myself to sell homes while I sleep. So as you watch, see if you can tell the difference, and stick around, because by the end, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same thing for your business. Look, if you're in real estate, coaching, or any kind of sales business, your face is your brand. But here's the problem. Your time is limited. You can't be everywhere at once, filming content, editing videos, posting on social media, following up with leads. It's impossible. So what if your clone could do all of that for you? Let me tell you how I built mine. When I first started in real estate, I had one massive problem. Nobody knew who I was. No referrals, no network, no brand. Just another new agent in Austin trying to make it work. So I decided to start making YouTube videos. Sounds simple enough, right? Except it wasn't. I had no idea what to say. I didn't know my market well enough. I hated being on camera, and honestly, I couldn't stand the sound of my own voice. But I kept pushing through anyway. I spent around 10 hours per video, scripting, filming, editing, 3 videos a week, for months. And guess what happened? Absolutely nothing. No calls, no clients, barely any views. Then after 3 months of grinding, I finally got my first qualified lead. 5 months after that first upload, I closed my first deal. That one qualified lead turned into a $10,000 commission check. And that's when everything changed for me. I realized YouTube wasn't just a platform, it was a pipeline. So I kept going, posted more videos, built trust with my audience. And eventually, I was making 6 figures a year in real estate at one of the highest profit margins in the business. But then a new problem showed up. The more successful I got, the less time I had to make content. When I stopped posting, my leads stopped flowing. My pipeline dried up. And I realized I was right back where I started, relying only on myself. I didn't need more hustle. I needed leverage. So I started looking for a smarter way, something that could scale me without burning me out. And that's when I discovered AI. At first, I used it like most people do, writing descriptions, blog posts, maybe a few ad headlines. But then something clicked. If AI can write my words, clone my voice, and even generate my face, and what's stopping me from creating content 24/7, even while I'm asleep? So I invested the time, money, and resources to learn everything about AI video production. I built my first AI avatar, a virtual version of myself that looks, talks, and acts just like me. Now, my avatar can create videos on autopilot, follow up with leads instantly, stay consistent across all social platforms, and sell my personal brand even while I'm out showing homes. Think about it. You can have one version of you working online and another version working in person. 2 versions of yourself running at the same time. This is how you build true leverage in your business. Instead of spending 10 hours per video, I can now script, film, and edit dozens of videos with just a few clicks. No burnout, no camera anxiety, and, most importantly, no limits on scale. And here's the best part. Everything you're seeing in this video, the avatar, the voice, the entire editing workflow, you can learn how to do it too. Inside my AI for Realtors community, I walk you step by step through the exact system I use. You'll learn how to create your own AI avatar that actually looks like you, what camera angles and lighting work best, how to record once and repurpose it into 100 videos, and how to automate the entire editing process using AI tools. This is the most valuable training you'll ever get for your real estate business because it doesn't just make you faster, it makes you limitless. And for a limited time, you can get access to the full course at a discounted rate inside my community. I'll drop the link in the description below. And before I go, remember how I said this entire video was AI generated? Well, I wasn't kidding. I'm not William. I'm his AI avatar. This video, from start to finish, was created using the exact system you'll learn inside the course. So if you're ready to clone yourself, build leverage, and scale your business while you sleep, I'll see you inside. Oh, and tell William I said hi.